Hello everyone, so we are Logan and Rachel, and last weekend we bought a van. So we drove up to Atlanta, Georgia, and after scoping this one out for a while, we went ahead and test drove it, made sure it was exactly what we wanted, and we went ahead and sealed the deal. We got the key! So now that the van was ours, our excitement level was through the roof, and we were really pumped to bring the van home and start on our van build. Hi. Oh my goodness. So today is the first day that I am going to start working on the van. If you cannot tell by the floor, I already have some stuff kind of taped off because Logan and I just really wanted to make sure that everything that we had planned in our minds would work floor plan wise. So if you guys have watched our last video on us buying the van, we kind of already did talk about the layout and all that, but we're gonna go more in depth with it later on this week as we continue. We're going to show you guys some of our floor plan stuff. So with that being said, we are going to work on just giving the van a good deep clean. I need to vacuum out some dirt and stuff that has been in the little holes in the van. And I'm also going to wipe off all of the wall framing and all that to prepare for sound deadening. I ordered this a few days ago on Amazon, and it came in the mail the other day, and I was like, yes! So this thing is a lot heavier than I thought. This is the sound deadening. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So this right here, oh my gosh, y'all, I can't even. So anyways, you get a jiffy on what it looks like. So that's what we're gonna do today, and then I need to go to Home Depot and get some stuff to prepare for insulation and our subfloor. So, oh, also rust prevention. So we got a lot to do today. This van has a lot of cup holders. I like it.
Oh my good Lord, what a feeling. All of this joy I've been stealing. We all need someone that can make us believe. So call me a man on a mission. I'm guilty by my own admission. Locked up but I break free. No chains could ever take me. Can't stop, won't stop, don't stop now.
And also, this is just like really recent for us. I picked up the word folks. I don't know.
So I'm listening to Eamon and Beck's new vlog that they released yesterday. They did a podcast, or not vlog, oh my gosh, podcast with Kara and Nate, two of my favorite people to watch on YouTube. But anyways, so I wanted to kind of go over the sound deadening to kind of tell you guys, if you have no idea what this is, this basically just helps the vibration, especially when we are driving. When we drove it back from the dealership, you could really hear like a lot of the vibration, especially on the highway. So this will really help to kind of make that not so intense. So this is an area that doesn't have it, and then this side does. So do you hear the difference? So it really does help just to calm down the noise. So we're hoping this will work. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish everything else. I'm not gonna put any right here as of yet because we are doing really big windows on this side. So they are on back order, so I'm not really sure where the placement will be yet. So I'm just gonna leave that empty for right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the wheel wells. I'm gonna try and tackle the roof. Might be hard, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, so that is done. Sound deadening is all up. Based out of a lot of the research that I had done, you don't need it on every single crevice of your van. You only need it in like a few main areas. So I did probably 80% of this roof, and then probably 80% of the walls as well. And I also did the wheel wells for the bottom. I didn't do anything on the bottom or like the floor because I just haven't seen anyone do that, and based on all the research, I don't think we're gonna need it. So that is done. Deadening is all set, and I still have like 1.5 full strips of this stuff left just in case, which is great. So I only did buy one box and it did the entire van. So with that being said, I need to go to Home Depot now and pick up some stuff. So I'll meet you there.
I know we've seen better days. Life is just a game we play. You hold tight to the world you know. The hardest part is letting go. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher that we climb. I know somewhere that you and I. We could stay why? We could stay why? We could stay why? We could stay why? Wake up, don't miss your chance. Take off, get lost again.
Okay, well, that was good. That was very good, successful first Home Depot trip of the van build. Yay. I got everything that I needed, and I did get a few people asking me in Home Depot if I needed some help with anything. I was like, no, I think I'm good. And then I got a woman that actually walked up to me and goes, where's your husband? And I was like, he's at work. And she was like, you're getting all this stuff like by yourself? And I was like, yeah. And goes, well, how do you know what to get? I said, I've done a lot of research. So, women, you can do this by yourself. You don't always need a man for everything. So, you know, just wanted to throw that out there. So, I'm gonna go ahead and head home and start with the subfloor. I'm really excited. Ugh. Hello everybody. So I don't know where I left you guys last. It has been about 2 days since I have talked to you guys last. I think the last time that I actually talked to you, I went to Home Depot to get some plywood and some studs for the bottom of the van, and we went back to Home Depot. we got some wood, some like actual plywood for the subfloor for the van. So today we're gonna put that all together, and Logan, oh my gosh, Logan actually just went and got some equipment stuff to build all this out. So we're gonna be doing the subfloor today, and hopefully everything goes well. So So Logan just got back, he's right over there cutting. So I'm gonna show you kind of what we're doing for the subfloor. So we are gonna put down these studs right here, just on the rib of the van. And then we're gonna put the insulation, measure it out and cut it so it'll fit right in between all of them. And then we're gonna put the plywood on top. So we're just measuring and cutting. That's basically what we're doing. Right, baby?
That's gonna be cut different. Yeah.
Yeah. And I think we're gonna need more wood. So another trip to Home Depot. What are you laughing at?
The camera, she's doing
Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
Okay, so I got one, like the best one that wasn't bent, because they were all like kind of bent. So
bowed.
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 They were bowed.
Okay. Okay. No, that's a show to see. A booty right here. Okay, so third trip to Home Depot. So we went, we had to get more plywood and more studs because we ran out. So all set now. Let's go. No. Put your cock on there and put it on there.
Put the cock that I redid in there.
Yes. There you go.
Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a little update. Rachel and I are working on the installation on the bottom of our van. She's doing some major cutting. Wave, baby.
Hola!
And it's slow right now, but it's going pretty well. We're working hard. My hat's sideways. Pushing forward. Our neighbors have been coming by and definitely giving words of encouragement and mental support. We're doing well right now. We're moving right along.
Okay, maybe I should put down the knife. So there is a technique that I saw on YouTube on how to do a subfloor with also insulation. So we're trying this technique out. Oh my god, I can't talk. Honestly, I don't know how I like it. So the whole point of us wanting to do this is so we don't have to put extra holes in the van that like we don't want to. So I saw this online where you basically put like studs down and then you fill it in with the insulation, and then we put plywood on top and then the flooring. So hopefully this is going to eliminate the fact that we're really not wanting to put tons of holes into the van. But I don't really know. Like I don't know.
It's a work in progress. We're gonna make it. We don't know if we're gonna stick with it, but it's working right now.
I feel like everything is very trial and error because we don't really know what we're doing. I mean, I have done months and months and months of research, but still, I mean, we're just basing a lot of this off of the guides that we have and crossing our fingers and hoping that it works, because that's really all we can do, right, babe?
That's right.
Yeah, so, okay. I'm gonna get back to cutting. Okay, so we are making progress. Good progress. Alright, so we're making progress. Slow progress, but progress. Everyone was right when they said building out a van, what, baby?
Hard work.
Hard work and takes a lot longer than you think. Oh, wait, I gotta put on my goggles.
I know we've seen better days. Life's just a game we
Oh my god, I'm
play.
so scared.
Hold tight to the world you know.
Okay, so we're at the point where we have the studs down. Now we're putting down
Sunshine, come and see
the
what it
plywood
feels
for the
like.
subfloor.
Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and we can stay wild, wild. We can stay wild, wild. We can stay wild.
No way, was that the first cut?
First cut.
First cut and it
We
fits?
can stay wild. Wake up,
First try too.
get lost again.
Heck yeah,
That
dude.
squeak's gonna go away.
Young enough to change our
Muscle
lives.
man.
When times get tough. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like.
That one's even better than the first one.
Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and I. We can
All right, so we got 2 pieces down. One more to go, I think, depending on how it lays in there. And it's coming along. Day 2 of flooring. We're coming along right now. So
Can you please put on all the goggles? Please do it. Y'all, I told him.
Mr. Carpenter.
Y'all, I told him to go get some safety glasses. And this is
They're safety glasses.
yeah, they're safety goggles. Like if you're like a chemist.
Same. They were in the same section as the screws were. So
Yeah.
yep, that's what we got. Safety eye protection.
Safety eye protection. Hello guys. Alright, so it is a new day. We are working on the subfloor again. This part of the van build has been pretty challenging. Then we've also had some terrible weather, so long story short, hopefully we're gonna finish the subfloor today and then we can start working on another project. But I came home from work and Logan was already working on the van, so let's see what he's got himself into. Look at you, handsome stuff.
So the piece that goes towards the front of our third cut, I'm trying to space it between the ribs of the van, and I didn't cut enough off of it, so that's what I'm about to do.
Yeah,
Yep.
okay. So basically what he was talking about was we already had these two down there already bolted to the studs. So now we're just working on this last piece right here. But this part is probably really hard because there's all these weird turns and cuts that you gotta make. So, babe. But hopefully today will be the last day of the subfloor. This has been long overdue. We've had so many hiccups, but hopefully today will be the last day. So, fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed.
Finally feed me. He's starving.
We have a subfloor! Are you excited?
Solid as shit.
It's solid. This thing ain't going nowhere. Cool job. Boom.
Now for the fan.
No, not for the fan.
Alright, so this is the final day of the subfloor install. And
the first like official week of the van build.
Yeah.
Although it's been a little bit longer than a week because we've had a few delays.
Actual life work.
Yeah, life happened. Also, guys, I just wanted to mention we have been working on this pretty much almost every weekend. So we still work a full-time job during the week, so we can only work on this on the weekends. So yeah, hopefully that will get better and we'll be able to work on it longer, but it's only been like 4 to 5 hours like every weekend because of just work and life and all of that. So hopefully it'll get better.
This definitely would have been a weekend warrior task if both of us were off at the same time. So yeah.
Right. But yeah, so the subfloor is in, and then next week.
You tell me. I'm here.
Okay,
with you.
so next week we're gonna make our first.
Next weekend is the first official cut into the side or into the roof of the van.
So that will be next week's is
install the fan.
Install the fan, and then hopefully we can start on some other tasks. Okay, so I saw this in another video that I watch on her van build, and I just really liked it. So I'm going to kind of have it where each vlog we just kind of tell you how much the van build has cost us so far. So everything that we have bought so far, it has totaled up to
$301.
So $300 we spent so far. I don't know why, but just having this subfloor done, it just seems like so huge, although it's the very beginning, but it seems like a huge task is done. And it's so little, but it just seems so big.
This is definitely step one of many, and we'll keep on trucking.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we will see you in next week's build, and yeah, many more to come. Okay. Ready?
Bye.
Bye-bye, darling. Bye-bye. Are you ready to go get some pizza?
I need some food.
I have food.
Shower.